I think that's a little bit better. Oh, it's blurry. Come on, thing. Work. 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 What the heck? Hey there. Guess what I'm gonna do for you guys? My other brow. Yeah, this one's done already. And this is the one that I had to get stitches in when I was very young. So don't mind my skin right now. I just came back from a cruise. I got a tan. My skin's peeling. It ain't looking so good. You know what I'm saying? But that's all right. And I hope it clears up by Saturday because my birthday's on Saturday and I want to look good for my birthday. My birthday. There's nobody here to interrupt me. Booyah. Let's go ahead and apply some of this product and see how good it comes out. Okay, there we go. All right, you can see that. No other makeup, just the brow, right? So what we're gonna do is the same thing. We're just gonna make a line right across there, okay? So we're gonna just, oh yes, that's better. Okay, now I can see. See that? See the line right there? And again, we're gonna blend away. So, just gonna take this and blend. Can you see that? Blend. So all we're gonna do is blend. Blend and brush. It might look like a lot, but it ain't. Can you still see that? Can you still see that? Because I can't see that. I'm literally using the camera. Whoa. Let's clean this off a bit. So, the only difference between these two brows is I have concealer in here and not on there. So if you want to just blend it up more, just blend it up some more. Can you see that? You can't even see that, can you? How's that? Good? See my scar right there? Or you can brush it down and it kind of covers it up. Voila. Can't see that, huh? Look at it. Boom. Should I put some concealer on for you guys just so you can see kind of like how I apply my concealer? I'm thinking so. So, maybe I'll show you on the next go around. But basically, just put the concealer up in there and I blend. Blend, blend, blend. It's all about the blend. Blend. That's it. That's all there is to it. All done now, right? All I have to do is pretty much just add concealer here and there and my under eye. What do you think? What do you guys think? What do you think? Do you like it or not? I mean, let me know. Comment below if you like how I did my brows. I mean, I like how I did my brows. I think it came out pretty spectacular. If I must say so myself. No, but really, it's quite simple, you know. I mean, I think it's quite simple. I don't know. But I will be doing brows on different people. So then that way you guys can see how it can apply to you, and hopefully I'll be doing it on a brow that's similar to yours. But I'm going to use multiple people and I'm going to shape their brows, fill their brows in for them, and make them look absolutely fabulous, you know? Fabulous. I don't know, what do you guys think? I mean, it's quite simple, but if you want your brows done before you going out, you know, you could just hit your girl up and I'll just hook you up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, you guys want me to get closer so you can see that? I mean, this thing should focus. I'm in the lights, can you see? It's pretty good, right? I think it's good. And some people may want to do threading. Some people, not threading, I'm sorry. Some people may want to do, what is it called? The, you know, the tenting or the, I don't know why I can't think of it right now. But anyway, it's like eyebrow tattoo, you know what I'm saying? But everybody doesn't want to do that. And they numb you and supposedly it doesn't hurt. I have a friend of mine that she does that and she's really good at it. But me, I don't like the way that it looks. That's just my preference. To each his own. You know, I have a scar here. If I really did like it, I would definitely go get the work done. I think after a while you have to, you know, after a while you have to keep getting them filled in. But I'll pass. Even though, you know, I have to have really light eyebrows. But on certain days I want my eyebrows to be darker. Certain days I want my eyebrows to be lighter. I don't know. But I don't know how I would feel having tattooed eyebrows on. Even though it's not permanent. I don't know, maybe one day I'll try it. Just to be like I tried it, but I would have to learn how to do it myself because if somebody screw up these brows, I'm gonna be sad. And the thing is that my brows are like very imperfect. Some people have really good brows. Like they're just blessed. I don't know, but I don't. Anyway, it's been real. Deuces. Deuces.